Well, uh, while recording this video, um, a second thought come to my mind that whether it's a good thing to show to the people, which might be known to most of the people, if not all, but I bypassed that feeling because I thought I could show them that the stuff could be achieved in several other way. Probably somebody will adopt it, somebody will discard it. Okay, that ugly noise is coming from the road. Some stupid is doing something. Anyway, so basically in this video I'm going to show you how to highlight a particular line or series of line and make it a toggling stuff with a simple keybind. Now the things popped into your head. I can do that in visual mode. Yes, you can do that in visual mode. Sometime saving a key might have a big effect which you probably not realized when you do at en masse. Okay, so without going into a visual mode, if I can do something which is good, so why not? So this is that kind of tech. Basically use two keybind to highlight a particular line with a different color and background and toggled it. As simple as that. So without further delay, let me spawn up a terminal and move it to a designated workspace. Let me zoom in so people can see. Say I want to open a file. If I open any rudimentary file, okay, so I have opened a rudimentary file. Okay, so for instance I want to see, I have cursor line enabled, so if I move my cursor, that specific line get highlighted. But if I wanted to highlight all this line, then I have to go to a visual mode, then use the keybind to highlight the selected line, right? So instead going into the visual mode, there is a small keybind which will do the stuff. Say for instance my cursor is already highlighted here because I'm using cursor line. So if I wanted to use a highlight of this particular line, I just press leader leader LH. See, that particular line is getting highlighted, right, with a different background. Okay, so how do I dismiss it? Leader HC to take away. HC means highlight clear. Okay, LH mean line highlight. Say for instance I want to highlight all these 5 lines without going into the visual mode, right? So all I have to do, it takes a numerics as an action. Okay, so if I say press 5 and then do leader LH, see, the 5 line is getting highlighted. Okay, I'm not in a visual mode, but I can do so. Okay, all I did, I press 5 and then leader LH, line highlight. I'll show you in a moment how that is implemented. Now similar way, if I wanted to deselect this highlighting, all I have to do, because I know the number of lines I have highlighted, I press 5 again, then leader HC, see, it clears the line. Okay, it is very helpful. It saves you a keystroke. I don't know how efficient it will be. You don't have to go to the visual mode to highlight it. Okay, specific line. Okay, let me show you what I have in my vMRC. you can check my vMercy. It is uploaded in GitHub under .file repo. It should be there. I'm showing it here, the specific command for what I have shown to you, highlighted range of line with a specific keybind and cleared the highlighted line with a specific keybind. Okay, so if I write vMercy and right on the bottom of my vMercy, so here if I say, and you can see this is how let me show you these things first. Okay, so you can see this to define highlight line color. This color combination what I have given, you can see term BG background, and if it is running on GUI mode, it's what it should be, background. So you can easily change this color according to your need. Okay, likewise you can see I've just, as I said, I pressed leader and a LH, line highlight, and call this match add function, which is having a line height variable which is defined here on top. Okay, and it takes the file name with the line and select it. Okay, likewise you can see this HC called to clear matches, which is basically clearing the highlighted stuff. This is a very small thing, but if you think about it a little bit, that it saves a keystroke. I'm repeating again because it might sound trivial, but think about it. If it saves 2 keystroke in a some sort of file or several files, it adds up a lot, right? You do not have to change the mode. You can do the same thing one damn single mode. Just press some keys. Okay, these are the ways so you can achieve doing several things without changing the modes. Okay, so it adds an convenience to your repertoire to get along with Vim. Okay, so I thought it will be useful for some people, so that is why I brought it up. Okay, so you can check my vMercy on GitHub under .file repo to get what is the binding I have. So you can change the binding to according to your need. Okay, but this is handy for me, so that's why I'm making this video, just to let you know that you could use it in your way. Okay, I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.